Panel explanations. On/off button. Down button. The frequency setting can be accessed by pressing and holding the button. Up button. Sound can be muted by pressing and holding the button. Enter or selection button. Left button. The screen brightness can be controlled by pressing and holding the button. Right button. You can return to the previous menu by long pressing the same button. Button to switch between magnetometer modes. The magnetometer system and the ionic system can be reset by pressing and holding the button. After pressing on power button, the following screen will display: brand screen, model name screen, language selection menu. Due to the wide spread of the device has been equipped with 8 international languages, allowing any user to use the device easily. Search systems menu. You can choose the appropriate system and then press the enter button on the control panel. Mega Scan Pro contains 3 search systems: long range locator system, ionic system, magnetic measurement system, magnetometer. To use long range locator system, the device is set up as following. The antennas are connected to the main unit of the device. Then the antennas are pulled out to its maximum length possible. The antenna balance can be adjusted from the top of the antenna by rotating it right and left until the height is same between the 2 antennas. We turn on the device by pressing the power button. After selecting the language from Languages menu, we select Long Range Locator System. After selecting Long Range Locator System, the Targets menu in the device will appear. Then the user can select the appropriate target by pressing the Enter button. After selection of the target, the program loading screen will appear. The long range locating screen will show the name of the program that we have chosen with the table of distances and depths. Switching between distances and depths through up and down buttons. You can change the precise frequency setting by pressing and hold down button until hearing a different tone, and changing the value with the right and left buttons. The user can increase or decrease the frequency to 12 Hz. The increment rate is 1 Hz at every press. It is preferable to leave the precise frequency on the factory default at 0.